Hello students, welcome to our today practical session. In our today practical session, we have learned our next practical, and that practical is we have to swap two numbers by using a temporary variable. So dear students, basically what is swapping? It is the process which is used to exchange two values. Okay, if you want to exchange two values, you can take the help of swapping. Okay, now how we are performing swapping in C program, now we can learn this step by step. First of all, dear students, we have to add header files in our program. So here, first of all, we are adding our first header file, that is hash include stdio.h. Why we are adding this header file? To use printf and scanf function. Then dear students, we are adding our next header file, that is hash include conio.h. Why we are adding this header file? To use clear screen and getch function. After that, dear students, we are adding our main function. So why we are adding main function? If you want to start the execution of your program, then you can add main function. Then dear students, we can declare three variables, and these variables are of type double. Dear students, here number 1 and number 2 contain two values, and we are taking another variable temp which is used as temporary variable. After that, we are writing our clear screen function. Then we are displaying a message with the help of printf function, and the message is enter first number. Then dear students, we have entered the first number with the help of keyboard by using scanf function. Then again in the next line we have print the message to enter second number. After printing the message, we can receive the input from keyboard with the help of scanf function. Then in the next line, dear students, we are printing the values. Okay, and before printing the values, we are displaying a message with the help of printf, and the message is before swapping. Now in the next line, where we are printing the values with the help of printf function. Now dear students, in the next line we are performing swapping operation. So first of all, we can assign the value of our first number to the temporary variable. Now our first number store the value of second number. You can see in the first step where we have temporary variable which is equal to number 1. This means that we are assigning the value of number 1 to the temporary variable. In the next line we have writing number 1 is equal to number 2. Why? Here we are assigning the value of second number to first number. Then dear students, in the next line again we are assigning the value of temporary variable to the number 2. Here you can see we can assigning the value of temporary variable to the number 2. And after this we are printing the message, and the message is after swapping, and this message is printed with the help of printf function. And in the next line we have printf the value of number 1 and number 2 after the swapping. Okay, then at last we are using getch function, and we are closing our curly braces. So dear student, this is basic our program which we are using to swap two number with the help of temporary variable. Here the temporary variable can work as a mediator. Okay, first of all it can store the value of first number, then we can store the value of second number to the first number, and at last the value stored in temporary variable is again stored in number 2. So this is our theoretical part regarding swapping two numbers with the help of temporary variable. This is our first part. Now in the second part of this program we have learned these concept with the help of few practical.